I'm Jonas Seeberg, CPO with Real Life Prosthetics. So today we have a below elbow amputee who is coming in for servicing on his myoelectric arm and then also his body powered arm. So he's a heavy duty user, so over time he has worn out the cable housing protector. So with a body powered prosthesis, to control the terminal device, we have a cable that has to connect between the control at the arm and then the attachment point on the terminal device. So we have a stainless steel cable that runs through a housing that's made of stainless steel, but then we have a protective coating that we put on the outside of that tube or the harness to help prevent it from getting debris inside, which would hinder the cable from traveling through the housing properly. So I took off the old cable housing and then put on a newer housing that's actually heavier duty in design. So you could see the thickness of the old housing compared to the new housing. But then when I shrink this housing down, you're going to see a distinct difference. So I'm going to go ahead just to show you, just give you a test of what I did. I'm going to go ahead and heat up this tubing, and as it heats up, it's going to shrink down. And actually, on the inside of this tubing is like a sealing glue, and it helps to grip to the housing so it doesn't slide. So now if you take a look at the difference, you can see that the wall of the new protective sheath is much thicker in diameter. So this should give longer protection, more durability, so hopefully I will not have to replace this for quite some time. So thank you and have a good day.